Hey everyone, and thanks for tuning in to a new video. Today I'll be sharing with you guys what I got in my Goldmine Coco quarterly subscription. Now this box has a self-care theme and I'm so excited about it. This time the owner included some of her new Bath and Body product line that's coming out under the Felicia Jarrell brand, and it included a candle which smells amazing, as well as a body soap which is not shown here. I did give it to a friend already prior to this video, but it also included some incense as well. And oh my gosh, both products, all three of these Bath and Body products smelled amazing, but the incense were my favorite and I can't wait to burn them. She also included the This Is Us Michaels collab. In a previous video, I mentioned how there wasn't much on the shelves at Michaels when I went, so it's good to be able to get some more from that release because I did not have these stickers previously, and I'm a huge fan of the Goldmine Coco dolls. Next up is this self-care journal. Oh my gosh, when I tell you that this journal alone pays for the box, it's so nice. The material on the cover feels amazing. It feels to be about 70 to 80 pages, and it is front and back. You get the dot grid, you have line space, there's a calendar at the top, some nice quotes at the bottom, as well as an area to put what you are grateful for. I do plan on starting this journal in August, to really work on my mental health and wellness. Next up, we have these journaling cards. Now, I'm not always the biggest fan of journaling cards, but I do like the different writing prompts as well as the different quotes that she always chooses. So, yeah, you get quite a few. I think maybe there's like 8 or 10 if I'm just guessing off the top of my head. I can't quite remember exactly how many they are, but I will say that this is not your standard cardstock. The paper feels very soft and it's very, very high quality paper. So you don't have to worry about laminating these in case you want to keep them for a long time. Moving right along, she always includes some papers. They're typically double-sided. This time I'm not going to open up the paper pack, and that is because I don't need these papers right now, and this shrink wrap that they're in is not resealable. So once I open it, I won't have a place to put the papers, and I just don't want them to get messed up. So I do apologize about that. Moving on to the main event, which are the stickers. And she actually switched up the stickers this time. If you've watched any of my other Goldmine Coco unboxings, we normally just only get doll stickers. But this time we're getting full boxes and a whole bunch of other good things. So these are the full box stickers. Again, these are the Erin Condren size stickers. So if you have a vertical happy planner, you'll have to do some adjustments in terms of the size. We also get a clear sticker sheet as well as these deluxe kits. Now this kit that you're looking at right now is 1-page stickers that will help you plan for the entire week, and it features a brown skin girl. Then you get another one of these 1-page kits that is deluxe, again a full week of planning, that features a light skinned girl. So there is some versatility in terms of colors and shades. We have another sheet of full boxes. Again, these are EC size. Next up are some doll stickers. These are the full size doll stickers, as well as we get some hydrate stickers, some quarter boxes, and a lot of things that say workout, which I'm excited about because I'm on my fitness journey. Here we have some washi strips, some days of the week, checklists, and chat boxes. So you pretty much have everything in here to do quite a few planning. Like, I think you can probably plan about 4 weeks, a full month, just using these stickers here. And then finally, it ends with a mini sheet of dolls. So overall, I'm super impressed by the box. If you want to pick it up, I'll have the link down below. The box retails for $35 plus shipping. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.